Tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, the Epson EcoTank ET-15000 wireless color all-in-one Supertank printer. This powerhouse of a printer is designed to keep your business running smoothly, and I'm excited to dive in and show you all the amazing features it has to offer. From printing and scanning to copying and faxing, this printer can handle it all with ease. But what really sets it apart is its innovative approach to ink, which we'll get into in just a minute. One of the most significant benefits of the Epson EcoTank ET-15000 is its cartridge-free printing system. Gone are the days of dealing with tiny, expensive ink cartridges that always seem to run out of ink at the worst possible moment. With the EcoTank system, you get a set of ink bottles that are equivalent to about 80 individual cartridges. This means you can print thousands of pages without having to worry about running out of ink. And when you do need to replace the ink, the process is easy and worry-free thanks to Epson's exclusive EcoFit ink bottles. These bottles are designed to make filling the ink tanks a breeze, and they're also very affordable. But the benefits of the EcoTank system don't stop there. With this printer, you can save up to 90% on replacement ink compared to traditional ink cartridges. This is a huge cost savings that can really add up over time. And with the ability to print up to 7,500 pages in black and 6,000 pages in color with a single set of ink bottles, you can see why this printer is a game changer for businesses and individuals alike. Plus, with up to 2 years of ink included in the box, you can start printing right away without having to worry about running out of ink anytime soon. Another key feature of the Epson EcoTank ET-15000 is its high-capacity ink tanks. These tanks are designed to be easy to fill and maintain, and they provide a stress-free printing experience that's hard to find with traditional printers. With the EcoTank system, you can print thousands of pages without having to worry about running out of ink. And when you do need to replace the ink, the process is quick and easy. This means you can focus on your work and not have to worry about the hassle and expense of constantly replacing ink cartridges. As we've seen, the Epson EcoTank ET-15000 is a powerful and versatile printer that can handle all your printing, scanning, and copying needs. With its innovative cartridge-free printing system, dramatic savings on replacement ink, and stress-free printing experience, it's the perfect solution for businesses and individuals who want to print high-quality documents without breaking the bank. And with its compact design and wireless connectivity, it's easy to integrate into your existing workflow. So if you're looking for a reliable and cost-effective printing solution, look no further than the Epson EcoTank ET-15000. Find the link in the description below to get your hands on one today and experience the power of stress-free printing for yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and tutorials, and we'll see you in the next video.